Starting a podcast or stream is easier when the microphone, desk arm, and basic controls arrive as one kit. The FIFINE AM8T combines a dynamic microphone with USB and XLR connectivity. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. USB mode is designed for plug-and-play computer use, while the XLR connection allows a later move to a mixer or audio interface. The listing notes that an XLR cable is not included. The cardioid pickup pattern and dynamic design are intended to focus on sound in front of the microphone. A foam windscreen helps soften plosive sounds during close speech. In USB mode, the body provides a mute button, gain control, headphone jack, monitoring volume, and RGB lighting controls. The lighting can also be switched off. The included metal boom arm clamps to desks up to 2 inches thick and lets the microphone move closer to the speaker while freeing desktop space. The limitation is that results still depend on placement, room noise, speaking technique, and input gain. XLR use requires additional equipment, and the supplied arm may not match heavier professional hardware. Overall, the AM8T fits new streamers, podcasters, and voiceover users wanting a complete USB starting point with an XLR upgrade path. Minimalist users may prefer a smaller desktop microphone.